to home and I'm going to create a new process that is called UI automation. Okay, so let's say UI automation. Okay, UI automation, and here also the process description will be UI automation. Okay, and click on create. So now I'm going to and cover a few UI automation activities. Okay, then go and click on open new workflow. Okay, and go to activity panel. You see here UI automation, UI or UI automation. Okay, if you type UI automation, there will be a lot of activities here: browser and code and the element. So under the element there is something called attributes, and there is a control. So these are the activity we used to call UI activities. So before that, we need to understand what is UI. Okay, if I say UI and go to your browser, okay, and see this is Amazon web page, right? So this is a user interaction page, right? So in the back end you can see lot of codes here. Okay, in the back end you see lot of codes here. Okay, but so what we can see here, UI, okay, the user interaction. So that is called UI interface. And so now using these activities, so here you can see attach browser, go back, go forward, and navigate to open browser, and other couple of UI activities. Using these UI activities, just drag and drop into this your workflow and highlight and do your automation. So okay, so let's say now I'm going to create one simple example. I'm going to I'm let's say I'm going to attach this browser. Attach in the sense, so instead of opening the browser, because I already opened this browser, and just I'm going to attach it. So attach it in the sense, just activate this particular tab and go to this place and type something and search something and get something. So like that. So let's say now I'm using the attached browser. Okay, if you drag and drop this open browser, okay, then here you see you need to insert your browser URL. Okay, or else you can click on this button and you will no directly you will open, I mean you will get this pop-up window. But here I can go here, and here you see the browser type IE, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, and custom. So I can choose Chrome here and copy this URL, maybe Amazon dot, it's opened here, leave it. So copy this URL and go back to this browser and paste it within double quotes. Okay, and then after that, after opening this particular Amazon web page, and I want to type something on my browser. Okay, so then I have to what activity I have to uh, place, just type into. Okay, so if everything is in a key, a word, whatever you are conveying, like type, click, or drop down, so the activity name itself, it's contain the particular keyword. So there is a type into, so from the option, and type secure text. If you want to type something password kind of things, you can use this type secure text, or else you can use this type into, drag and drop this type into, and then indicate element inside browser. So again indicate element on the browser, and see I'm highlighting this place. Hey, this is the place I want to write something. Then click on OK. Then here you can type something like your product name. So I'm going to type something TV or something, and that's it. Okay, so after typing something, what I want to do, so go and type in manually TV and click on search button, right? So okay, fine. So now I'm going back to studio and just drag and drop click activity. Okay, then go here, use click activity, and here there is an element mouse click and double click, And if you find any places like you want to apply double click, you can use double click. Here I am going to use click activity. Okay, and just indicate element inside the browser. Click OK, and where I want to click, so this search button, right? Whenever you move your cursor over there, and it will be highlighted with the green color. Okay, then click, then okay, I clicked it. So again go back to the browser and manually click it, and then you will get this page, right? So here I want to get this particular TV title. So what I have to do, so for this I want to get this text. So then you may find the same activity name, get text. Okay, get text. So go here, there is a get text in the no, from the control, and drag and drop here and indicate element inside the browser. Okay, I want to get the text, this one I can click here. But if you see here, and there is a no output property, and click, and here get text, you may get the output. Okay, I'm going to create a variable, that is the product name. Enter. Then I want to display the product name into message box. Then drag and drop here, and you can type message box like product name. Okay, so let me run this process. You can see here I am on this page. Okay, I'm going back because I started my step here in this from this page. Okay, now my whenever I execute this process, it should type here TV, and it should click on the search button. Once it's reached that particular page, and it should get that product name. Okay, then I'm going back to my studio and just click run file. Okay, see, it's open a new browser, and it's type TV, and it's click the search button, then it's reached this page, and it's captured this text Redmi 80 centimeter 32-inch product name, and it's displayed. Okay, so this is how we need to arrange our flow when we interacting with the UI automation. Okay, so this is like something straightforward. Slowly I will introduce few other lot of options here. And also if you see, these are the classic activities. Okay, if you see UI automation, these are the classic. Okay, and if we go to modern activity, and there will be a lot of enhanced best feature activities, and I will cover this also in the later session. Okay, so now just try this option, open browser and type into click search and get text. Then I will slowly introduce dynamic and fuzzy selector, and there are a lot of stuff. Okay, just try it as a beginner thing, this one.